Hi all, good morning. In today, I'll explain you about the number system. How many types of number system in the IT industry, in the our networking, in the digital format. How many types of languages means how many types of number system. So let me explain the today topic that is the number system. Yeah, number system. This is the topic and there are four types of number system. The first one is the decimal. Yeah, decimal. There are four types of number system. One is the decimal, and in the bracket that is the 10. It is the base of the decimal. So first one is the decimal. The second one is that the octal. Yeah, its a base is the 8. And the third one is the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Yeah. Its a base is the 16. And the fourth one is that is the binary binary digit. Yeah. Binary digit. Yeah. Binary digit. Sorry. It's a digit. Yeah. Binary digit. Its a base is the 2. Yeah. What is the full form of binary? This is the full form of binary digit. Yeah. Digit. Binary digit. In the shortcut, its name is the B. Yeah. And it's a it. Yeah. So it's the first word and it's the last word. So in the shortcut, it is called the bit. Yeah. B and it. Yeah. So in shortcut, it is called the bit. Yeah. So binary digit in the shortcut, it is called the bit. So I will explain you about the bit. I will explain you about the decimal. I'll explain you about the octal. I'll explain you about the hexadecimal and the binary digit. So let me start from the decimal. First, I'll explain you about the counting. Yeah? Counting. So decimal, you know very well, it's a base. Base is the 10. It means it is having the 10 numbers. It is having the 10 numbers. Like started from the 0. Yeah. There are unique 10 numbers are there. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It start from the 0 to 9. So that's it. That's why its base is the 10. Means in the decimal, there are 10 numbers are there. If you think, sir, in the decimal we are we have also learned 11, 12, 13, up to many numbers we have learned. But remember, this is the base is the 10. Means 10 numbers are unique numbers. Means it is not become combination of anything. But after that 9, whatever the numbers are coming, it is the combination of these numbers. Yeah. In these numbers, it is combination of that. So these numbers are unique. Yeah. It is not combination of any other word. These are the unique number. So that's why it's a symbol is 10. Total symbol is 10. And maximum value is the 9. And the minimum value is the 0. So total, there are 10 numbers are there. So that's why it is called the decimal, and its a base is the 10. After that, whatever the number are, I will mention in the board, that are the combination of this word, nothing else. Yeah? Suppose the next word I want to return means if you go to the petrol pump, yeah, I don't know where you are staying, but in petrol pump like that, digital meters are over there. Yeah, when we go to here, so all numbers are 0. When the petrol man insert the pipe in our car, so after that it will moving. Yeah, it will moving. So the next word they are mentioned 000. So next word is started from the this side. Yeah, that is the right side. So it started from the right side means this is called the least significant bit, least significant sign. So 0 and the first number is the 1. Yeah, it is increase. Yeah, it is increase in petrol pump. Whenever you go for the bike or petrol for the diesel or petrol, so on that time you see the digital meter. So first this number is increase. If this number is increased, so the remaining word won't increase because it's a +1. +1 target is there. This increase. So all numbers are same. Yeah. After that, if you go to the next thing, so next thing is that this number will become the 2 because it is possible to increase. And if it is increased, so all numbers are same. Yeah. It is increased +1. So all means the onwards numbers are remaining same. Yeah. And like that, it is increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's like a increase to 9. Yeah. 9. Yeah. 0, 0, 0. Yeah. It's increased to 9, up to 9. Yeah. This is the maximum number. This is the maximum number. It cannot increase because the most word means the maximum word. That is the 9. Yeah. That is the 9. It cannot increase. So after that, it hand over the number to the own words. Yeah, means the next person will come in that picture. Suppose one king is there. He means he is the king as 100 years. After that, he cannot perform his task properly because he is the old man. So he given the king to another name. Means so the another person will become the king. The next person. He is retired. So similar like that, this is the maximum value. It cannot increase. So the next number will become the this is the now is there. So this is not increase. So it will become the minimum number. Yeah? Minimum number is the 0. So maximum number will become the minimum number, and the next word next digit will be increase +1. Means 0 to it will become the 1. Yeah, it will become the 1, and it is increased +1. So after that, all r will be 0. Yeah, means that the 9 number, and above the 9 there is the 0. No one see that word. So 9 is the maximum. It cannot increase. So 9 will be 0, and the 0 will become the 1 increase. It is increased. So other number are remaining as it is. Yeah. Similar like that, the next word, it will become the 1. If it can 0 can increase, first try to increase the less significant things. So less significant word is the 0. It will become the 1. So remaining, it is increase 1. So remaining word make as it is. Yeah. And after that, the next word 1 become the 2. It will increase. So all words are remaining same. So similar like that, this will become the 1. Yeah, it will increase 1. So the next word as it is. This will become the 1. Again, it will become the 2. So it will become increase 1. So the next word as it is. Yeah, it will become the 3. So next word will become as it is. It will become the 4. So next word will become as it is. Like that, it will become the 9 1. Yeah. Now the 9100 is there. Yeah. So the 9 is the maximum number. It cannot increase. It cannot increase. Yeah. So after that, what happened? After that, what happened? The 9 will become the 0 because it cannot increase. Yeah. So it will tell to next digit. Please increase by 1. So it will 1. After that, it will increase to 2. It will increase +1, and other words are as it is. So similar like that, the 1 become the 2. So it is the maximum number. It cannot increase. Yeah. So it will become the 0, and it will tell to next number, please increase by 1. So it will become the 2. Yeah. And after that, it like that, it will increase 1, 2. Yeah, like that, it will go to the 9. And after that, this word cannot increase. So it will become the 0. And the next word will become by increase by 1. So 2 become the 3. And like on words, it is 1, it is 3, it is increased by 1, so 3 as it is increased by 1, so next word as it is increased by 1, so next word as it is, like that. It is the 9 and 3. Yeah. So now it's become the most maximum word. It cannot increase, so it will become the 0. And next word increase by 1, so 3 will become the 4. Yeah. 3 will become the 4. So 40, it means the basic concept of the counting. If any maximum number means, first it will increase by less significant bit. If less significant bit become the maximum, so it will downgrade, it will become the 0, and the next word become will be the 1, mean increase by 1. Yeah, increase by 1, next word. If less significant bit is 0, so most significant bit, this is called the less. Yeah, this is called the most significant. So less significant word counting digit is maximum, so it will become the 0 and increase by 1. Yeah. Then the chance is increased by this one, so it will become the less significant bit is increased, so it can increase 1, and the next word is as it is, most significant as it is. Yeah. Like that, we can write down entire counting. Yeah, the concept is the same. Yeah, that is the counting concept. So this concept is the same. Means first increase by less significant. If less significant is the maximum, if it can increase, so it's good. The most significant as it is. Yeah, like 99. Yeah, if I'm going to 99, so this bit is this less significant is not increased. Suppose 99 in front of the 99, 0 is mentioned. So this will not increase, so it will become the 0. Yeah. When it tell to next most significant, please increase by 1. It cannot increase, so it will become the 0. So it will become the 0, and it is tell to next word, please increase by 1. So it's a 0, it increased to 1. So like that, this decimal counting is happening. So similar concept we will return entire, means like all the number system, all the number system I will return. Yeah. So this that is the decimal, very well. Yeah, because from our childhood we are learning that counting, so it is the everyone should know. Yeah. So there is the no problem in the decimal, but let me write down the octal. Octal. It is also very easy. In your BTech, you will learn it base is the 8. So it started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So there are 7 words are there, but it started from the 0. So total number is the 8. So that's why its a base is the 8. Yeah. And these are the unique symbol in the octal. Yeah. In the octal, these are the unique symbol. I want to increase the octal. Yeah. So how it will increase? Yeah. 7 cannot increase. That is the maximum number in octal. There is the no concept of the 8, because this is the octal. 8 is not present in the octal. Yeah. 8 is no more. Yeah. So it's a 7. So 7 cannot increase. So 7 will become the 0, and hidden 0 is there. It will become the 1. Means 10 is equivalent to 8. Yeah. Decimal, it's 8. And octal, it is called the 10. Yeah. So now we are telling to less significant will please increase by 1. So it is increase 1. So it's increased. So next word is as it is. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. So it will become the 2. So next word will become the as it is. Like that, it is going for the 1, 7. Yeah. And I tell to 7, please increase by 1. It is the maximum number. It cannot increase. It is the maximum number. It cannot increase. So 7 will become the 0. And I tell to most significant bit by increase by 1. So 1 become the 2. Yeah. So it is become the 2. Yeah, it's a 20. Yeah. So 20 means I tell to this one, please increase by 1. It will increase. So next word is as it is. 2, next word is as it is. Like that, it's going to 2, 7. After that, I tell to 7, please increase by 1. So it cannot increase because that is the maximum number. So the 7 will become the 0, and the 2 means the next word increase by 1, it will become the 3. Yeah. And now I tell to less significant, please increase by 1. It is increased by 1. Next word as it is. I tell to 2, please increase by 1. It is increased. Next word is as it is. Like that, it is going to 3, 7. Yeah. Like that, the last number I'm returning here, 7, 7. That these two numbers, 77, are maximum. This one is maximum, this one is maximum. Yeah. So hidden 0 is there. So I tell to 7, please increase by 1. It cannot increase, so it is written 0. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. It cannot increase, so next word is 0. I tell to 0, please increase by 1, because both the number are maximum. So it can increase because it's a 0, so it will increase to 1. Yeah. Like that, I tell to next number, please increase by 1. So it is increased. If it is increased, so both the words are same. Yeah. I tell to 1, please increase by 1. So it will increase by 2. It means plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And it is increased by 1. So means the most significant beat are as it is. Yeah. So I tell to this one, please increase by 1. It increase. So most significant are as it is. Yeah. Similar like that. 4, 0, 1, 5, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1. Like that, I have written the 7, 7, 0, 1. But 7 cannot increase, so it will become the 0. And the most significant bit, this is the 0, it will become the 1. If it is increased, so next word is as it is. Yeah. Means more significant as it is. Yeah, I tell to this one, please increase by 1. It is increased. And I tell to means it is increased. So next word is as it is. Yeah. Similar like that. It is like 7, 1, 1. Yeah. So whatever you counting, you can return. If I'm returning the 7, 7, 7. Yeah. After that, all words are become the 0, 0, because all three are most significant. So hidden 0 is there. It will become the 1. Yeah. So the concept is that first increase this one, less significant. If this value is maximum, so next bit will become the increase by 1. If it is increased, so all the other numbers most significant are as it is. Yeah. So this is the concept of the octal. Yeah. This is the concept of the octal. So we can write whatever we need. We can write the octal numbers. So this is the octal number. Let me write down in the IT industry, in the digital network, there are the third number come in that picture. That is the hexadecimal. Yeah, that is the hexadecimal. So let me write down the hexadecimal. Decimal. Yeah, hexadecimal is there. So hexadecimal base is the 16. Base is the 16. So it's started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. After 9, the word should be unique. It cannot become the 10. So the next word is the A. A means it is equivalent to, if I'm talking about digital, so decimal, so it's a decimal equivalent to 10, and B, it's equivalent to 11, and C, it's equivalent to 12, and D, it's equivalent to 13, and E, it's equivalent to 14, and F, it is equivalent to 15. 15 in decimal. So in the hexadecimal, there are total numbers are started from the 0 and ended to F. F, F. Means total 0 to F, total 15 words are there. Means total means F means 15. So 15 and it started from the 0. If I'm counting the total number, so total number 0 to 15 means total numbers are 16. So total numbers are 16. Yeah. So total numbers are 16 is there. Yeah. After that, if I start from the beginning, if I start from the next word, it is the F is the maximum word. Maximum word means it cannot increase anymore. E option is not there. F is the maximum number. So after F, it cannot increase. So hidden 0 is there. So F become the 0 and the 0 will become the 1. So 1, 0. And after that, I tell to 0, please increase by 1. So it will increase 1. So then next word as it is. Then after that, 1 become the 2, and the next word as it is, and 3 it is increased. So next word as it is. Like that, it is going to F1. Yeah, F1. So after F cannot increase. So F will become the 0 because it's a maximum number, and 1 become the 2. Yeah, the increase by 1. It is increased by 1. So it's a 0 and 1. Yeah. After that, it is increased by 1. So it will become the 1 and 2 as it is. Like that, it is the 2F. Yeah. So F is the maximum number. It cannot increase. So F will become the 0 and the next word increase by 1. So like that, it is the 3F. Yeah, like that. If I'm talking about FF, both the number are maximum. So what happen? It F will become the 0. It tell to next step, please increase by 1. It cannot increase, so it will become the 0. And the 0 hidden word is there. It will become the increase by 1. So 0 will become the 1. So the less significant bit will increase after it is go to maximum things. Yeah, maximum things. After that, it cannot increase, so it is still to next thing. Next means the next most significant bit, it is tail. Please increase by 1. So if it is increased, so next word as it is. So similar like that, you can write down many words like FFF. Yeah. After that, you can write down F cannot increase, so it will become 0. F cannot increase, it will become the 0. F cannot increase, it will become the 0. And most significant bit is hidden bit, it's a 0. So 0 will become the 1. Yeah. So you can write down the many decimal numbers here. Hexadecimal, sorry. Many hexadecimal number you can written here. So I'm not given the many idea on that number because this is the not means not much used in the networking, but the binary number, which is very useful in the subnetting concept in the IP address. The binary is used very much, means it is used lot of in the IP address. So let me explain the IP address. Means let me explain the binary. Binary is very popular and similar concept is there. Binary is the very popular, sir. Yeah. So let me write down the binary number. So binary, this is the binary. Its base is the 2. Binary base is the 2. So there are two numbers are there. One is the 0, another one is the 1. There are two numbers. So 0 is the minimum word, 1 is the maximum word. So these two words are there. That's why its base is the 2. Yeah. Two words are there, 0 and 1. If I want to write down the next word, so it is the maximum number, hidden 0 is there. So it will become the 0 and this hidden 0 will become the 1. Yeah. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. So it will increase by 1. So it is increased. So next word is as it is. Yeah. After that, both the numbers are maximum. So it will become the 0. I tell to next word, please become the 1, but it cannot become the 1 because it's also maximum. So it will become the 0. And hidden 0 is there. It will become the 1. Yeah. I tell to next number, increase by 1. So it will increase 1. If it is increased, so all the words are as it is. Yeah. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. So 1 cannot increase. It will become the 0. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. So it's a 0. It is increased. Yeah, it will become the 1. And I tell to 1 means it is increased by 1. So next word is as it is. Yeah. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. So it is increased. So all the words are same. Most significant are as it is. After that, I tell to 1, please increase by 1. So it cannot increase because this is the maximum number. So it will become the 0. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. It cannot increase. It will become the 0. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. It cannot increase. So it will become the 0. And hidden 0 is there. It will become the 1. So it's a 1 0 0 0. Yeah. I tell to next word, please increase by 1. So it is increased. All the words are as it is. Yeah. After that, I tell to this word, please increase by 1. It cannot increase, so it will become the 0. And next word is increase by 1. If it is increased, so other words are as it is. I tell to this 0, please increase by 1. It is increased by 1. All the words are as it is. I increase to 1. It cannot increase. 1 cannot increase. I tell to 0 increase by 1, it is increased. So the most significant as it is. I tell to this one, please increase by 1, it is increased by 1. After that, all the words are as it is. I tell to 1, please increase, it cannot increase because it's a maximum number. So it will become the 0. And next word is 0, it will become the 1. If it is increased, so next word is as it is. I tell to this one, please increase by 1. So it is increased. So all the words are as it is. Yeah. After that, I want to increase one word. So it cannot increase. So it's 0, 0, 0, 0, and hidden 0 will become the 1. Yeah. So you can write down the many things here. Yeah. Many counting number you can write here. But the question is that why we need this kind of number system, 4-number system. Yeah. Means 4-number system, binary number system is there. Yeah. Binary is there, hexadecimal is there, decimal is there. Yeah. There are number of number systems are there. Why we need this kind of number system? Why we need? So the question is that if suppose I'm measuring the distance between the India to US. If I'm measuring that distance in the millimeter, so it is not fair. Yeah, it is not good because the India to US distance will be measured in the kilometer, yeah, not in millimeter. If I measure the like in the micro things, like suppose any kind of mosquitoes, I want to measure the mosquito's length. If I measure in the kilometer, so that is not good. I need to measure in the centimeter or millimeter. Yeah. So similar like that, why we need this kind of number system? If any number system is the smaller, it is the smaller, so you can smaller number system. So you use the binary bits. You use the bit small number system. If any number system is the bigger, so you use in the hexadecimal. Yeah. Like I'll explain you about IP version 4 and IP version 6. I'll given the about this knowledge. In the next lecture, next lecture, I will start the IP version 4. Yeah, IP version 6, I will explain you. So it's a 32 bit. Yeah. 32 bit means IP version 4. Yeah, it's a very small number. So that's why it is represent in the bits, binary number. Yeah. And IP version 6 is 128 bit. Yeah. It's a bigger number. It's a bigger number. So that's why it is represent in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Yeah. So the concept is that why we need number system to represent the small address. To represent the small address, so we need a small number system. To represent the big number system, big address. So we need a big address, big number system. So why we need number system? To represent the small number system, to represent the small things, a small address. So we use binary. If we represent the big address, big system, so we need a big hexadecimal for that. Yeah. And octal and decimal are in between that. So they are not anymore used. They are used for the human being. But the binary and hexadecimal are machine language. So whatever the big number, so we use the hexadecimal, the small number, so we use the binary. So that is the number system. In the next class, I will convert one number system into another number system. Yeah. So I will explain you how to convert binary into hexadecimal into binary, binary to octal, octal to decimal. Everything I will convert. So next lecture, I will explain you about conversion from one number system to another number system. So that's it. Thank you so much.